In this video, we are going to find the integral of secant cubed x times tan x dx. So just by looking at the product of these trig functions, it's not immediately obvious what the antiderivative is. So we're probably going to want to come up with some clever u-substitution to make this work. So here we see that we have secant raised to some odd power, and then we have tan. Well, what do we know about secant? Well, first of all, if we want to do u-substitution, we only really have two choices, right? We can either choose secant or tan. But what do we know about secant? We know that the derivative is secant times tan. So a tan will appear and can cancel out. So let's try doing a u-substitution with u equals secant. We'll let u equal secant of x. So du is secant of x, tan x dx. So in particular, dx equals du divided by secant of x tan x. Now let's see what happens to our integral if we perform this substitution. So this becomes the integral of secant cubed. So I'm gonna factor out a secant times tan, so I'll be left with a secant squared. So I'm just gonna rewrite this first as secant squared x, secant of x, tan x dx. Now why am I writing it like this? I'm writing it like this because now we see secant tan dx, which is exactly what we have here for the derivative of u. And now what else do I see? Well, u is secant. Now here I have secant squared. So what does this become? This becomes the integral of u squared times du. So I actually didn't even really need to write the dx equals du over secant x tan x. I just did that in case we wanted to actually replace dx by that, and then you can see we get cancellation. But here, you can see just by what I've underlined that the light blue is du. Okay, great. Now what? Well, now I can use my the power rule for antiderivatives, or for integrals, right? So this tells me that the integral of x to the n dx is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So if I have u squared, the integral of that should be u cubed over 3 plus c. Are we done? Not quite. We started off with an integral that was solely in terms of x, and now we've ended up with something in terms of u. So now we're going to have to plug in what u is. What is u? U is secant of x. So this is secant cubed over 3 plus c. So this is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.